Ha? Nakandak ako dyan. Oh, sakay na yung dyan. Again. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, up, Mama, otoko. Opo, wait lang. Saing lang si Mami. Ate? Luto rice. Rice. Tsaka pansit. Guys, by the way, I'm gonna share this to you guys. This I made a ointment. Look at this. Can I put? Oh, sige, akin na. So this is my room. So messy. A lot of messy things here. Okay. Daddy. And then I made this with avocado seed. The one you see here, avocado seed, and then alcohol, and then ointment. Avocado seed, ointment, and alcohol. And it will be effervescent oil, alcohol, and avocado seed. I grate the avocado seed like this. And then this is it good for the joints, back pain, like the pain. Yeah, you can use this. Very, very effective. You should try it, guys. And just like that, you have a ointment. You have a herbal ointment that can help a lot for you guys. Okay, I'm done sharing that to you. You can see. A lot of messy here. A lot of laundry. Some art materials and everything. Bags, stuff. That's all. Hi, Subramanya. Hello. That's my brother. Things that I need to clean here. Very dirty na. How are we gonna go there? Kasi mga burara magamamit mga kapatid ko guys. Ano natin mag